You've just finished typing your application letter, or maybe it's a school form, internship request, or any official document. Everything looks perfect. Then boom, it says, "Please sign before submitting." And of course, no printer, no scanner, and the deadline's not waiting. But don't stress, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign on paper, send that signature to your PC, and insert it into your Word document neatly. Let's get started. Write your signature on a blank sheet of paper using a pen, black or blue. Take a clear photo of it with your phone. Then send the image to your PC using WhatsApp, Bluetooth, or email. Once received, download and save it, most likely in your Downloads folder. In your already open Word application letter, place your cursor just below the closing line, like, "Yours faithfully," and above your typed name. Now go to Insert, then Pictures and click on Downloads. Find the saved signature image, and click Insert. Click the image, drag the corners to resize it, and move it into position above your typed name. With the image selected, go to Picture Format, then on Color and choose a clean style like Recolor or Black and White. Again, click Remove Background, and use Mark Areas to keep or Mark Areas to remove to fine-tune the cleanup. And that's it, your application letter is now signed and looks professional, without needing a printer or scanner. If this saved your time, and your deadline, hit like and subscribe to Praisetech Studios for more helpful digital tips. See you in the next one.